Have you ever thought about it? You don't have any products, no team, no need to sell products, no need to look at people's faces. You can form a team by recruiting members online. Only by building a team can you make big money. Everyone knows this. Now the Livegood Alliance gives us this opportunity. Build a team to earn passive income. This is a unique alliance. Not only does it combine the subscription economy and multi-level marketing, plus internet marketing, Livegood Alliance registered more than 1 million paid members in just 1 year. A new way of marketing. Making more than $700 a week is just the beginning. If you can persist in this career, just like this blogger, earn more than $1,000 every week. Earn more than $11,400 in passive income in 1 month. He only needs to make one move to recruit members to form a team. He didn't sell any products through this alliance platform to earn very high passive income. And it's just a simple ad on Facebook. Simply send ads every day. You can earn this kind of income. Today I will share 2 methods. Via Facebook and Pinterest. Easily recruit members online to earn passive income. What are the advantages of Livegood Alliance over other alliances? Brand new marketing strategy. The members I recommend can also be placed in your team as your team's performance. That is, even if you don't recommend it. I can also drop off your team through recommended affiliates. You can also earn. Remember to watch the end of the video. If you skip video content, it is very likely that you will lose an excellent entrepreneurial opportunity. Without further ado, let's start today's sharing. Come to AI Toolbox. You find the Livegood Alliance here. Click here to open Livegood registration. Register a free account. After you open the website, you will see this registration page. Just fill in your name, then fill in your email address. You can register for free. We can test it through this similar web. This page had 810,000 views per month at its peak. After we register our account, you can log into your account. You will enter a page like this one, and we can see it. This page is its main website. At its peak, there are more than 1 million traffic. Enter the website and you can browse all his products. And if you are a member, the prices of his products are very favorable, only $9. If you are not a member, it is $14. So the difference is $5. So becoming a member means you can buy the best prices. Livegood Alliance mainly has 7 major ways to make money. What I am mainly sharing today is the Matrix bonus. If I recommended you to join this alliance today, if you join my team, then at the same time I end my online recommenders. Recruited members will also spill over to your team. You can get the Matrix bonus even if you don't do it. You and I are also constantly working to strengthen your team. The benefit of this Matrix award is that you and I and the leaders, recommended people will continue to be added to your team. First come, first served. If you don't recommend anyone, but these people will continue to overflow from the leaders above, because the system will automatically slide to these points of yours. Become part of your income. This is the biggest benefit of the Matrix Award. You can earn 2.5% affiliate commission from them every month. We pay membership fees every month, even if you haven't sold or consumed any products. You can get a Matrix bonus every month. This is a list of registered members from all over the world. You can scroll to the bottom to learn more about the bonus plan. There is a more detailed bonus plan on his company's official website. He includes the introduction of 7 bonuses. How to get these 7 bonuses? I won't talk about the other bonuses one by one here. You can come. If you don't know about the bonus plan yet, you can follow his official YouTube channel. It was released on his official website. You can watch this video. Learn more about how his various bonuses came from. The second award I just talked about. This is the Matrix bonus. If you are a VIP member, you can get up to 12 layers deep. You didn't even recommend anyone, but your upline leaders will automatically overflow members in your team. It's 12 floors with full members. You can get long-term income of $2,047 United States dollars and 50 cents per month. In other words, you can get this income every month. If you don't recommend anyone, you just need to wait for the overflow membership of the online leader into your Matrix bonus pool. If you become a higher level member, what you can get is that you can get up to 15 levels of bonuses. That's more than $16,300 in bonuses every month. The key is how we do business. A lot of people won't stop at a little bit of Matrix bonus. Make big money with Diamond bonus. How to get more people to sign up as members of your team. Get your own recruiting link here. You can post this recruitment link on Facebook. Register through the link to become a member of your team. If you are part of my team, the people I recommend will also be placed under your team. You can see this friend's Facebook account. We can copy as copy. Then you only need to attach to income pictures like this. You can promote it on Facebook. So just copy and paste. Then put your link. It's that simple. We just need to register an account on Facebook. You can find the team icon. Then we search here for affiliate marketing. All of these are affiliate marketing groups. Then you can click to join his team. The group has more than 38,000 members. This one has over 68,000 members. So you need to join these members. Then we just need to click join. We just need to agree to his request. That's his group rule. Then we click apply. When you join his team, we can add team friends. After adding, if you post more to promote it, it will be effective. They will see your post. That is, like this post. You just need to copy its contents. Only $9.90 a month membership fee, plus a one-time joining fee of 40 United States dollars. You can start running a Livegood business. There are many affiliate marketing teams here. There are endless resources here. Some friends may be worried. How to get these income screenshots? It's actually very simple. You can request this from your leader. He will give you these screenshots of income certificates. By posting, return to our Facebook homepage. Let's click to start creating. Here we click to send a picture. Let's select the first item. Everyone can see this post. Then click confirm. Copy the entire content of the copy ad. Then paste it here. Then we just need to upload. Just upload some pictures of your income. Our affiliate recruitment link. To copy this link, you're going to paste it here. We just need the next step. Then we publish the post. This way your post, more friends can see it. This content you posted. Sign up to become a member of your team by clicking your link. This is the commission description of the 7 items of the alliance. These 7 commissions are all very considerable. If you don't know about this bonus yet, if you don't know much about this commission, you can do this through his official video bonus program. Very clear introduction. You can drag it to the bottom of the backend of the membership website. There is also a bonus program in English here. You can watch it by clicking on this video. Introducing his bonus system. Facebook is a platform with huge traffic. His monthly traffic is 16 billion. In addition to free traffic on Facebook, the second social platform we can also come to is Pinterest. Pinterest's traffic is also very huge. Just Canadian Pinterest website. If you are going to the Pinterest company website in the United States, then its traffic will be even more powerful. You can see that this blogger specializes in Livegood. We can click on it and see the pictures of his weekly and monthly income that he posted. You just need to put these pictures. Then he connected one of his recruitment links here. We click here in the upper left corner to create a puzzle. We just need to upload the income picture. Paste it on top. At the same time, we added the content of the advertisement just now. Copy it. Paste it here again. We can copy this title above. Then connect the link we just gave. Just put what I just said is the link of the alliance. Just paste it here. Paste this affiliate link here. We see that the picture here requires a width of 1000 pixels and a height of 1500 pixels. Minimum picture requirements. So we need to change the size of this image. We can come to Canva to create a width is 1000 pixels, height is 1500 pixels. That is, you can see the Pinterest ratio here. We just need to click. This is the Pinterest format requirement. Then we just need to change the Just take these screenshots of these pictures. Put it here. Then we just need, if it's a little longer, you can set the height to 1,800 or 2,000. You can stretch it to the maximum. Then we download it. Now we just need to take this picture. Then we can publish this image. Click here to create a folder for us. We just need to click here to post this image. You just need to repeat this action. When someone sees your post ad, then we can see that this is your link. We just need someone to click on your link, then register to become your member. Repeat this action like this. In fact, this website Alliance website, all you need is one action, just to recruit more members. You can earn very generous affiliate bonuses on this website. The project shared today. It requires some investment fees. Become a member, become a member. You can do it two ways. You can pay monthly. That's $9.95 a month. You can also pay the annual fee once a year. Obviously, it is more favorable to pay it in 1 year. The operating fee of $40 is a one-time fee. You can see this is $139.95. This is the membership I purchased. How to register as a franchise. How to join Livegood and become an affiliate. You can do this via in my toolbox. There is a detailed explanation video here. If you have successfully joined my team, successfully became a paid member, you can contact me by clicking on the Telegram above. I will also do my best to help you. How to promote through the internet. Achieve success with Livegood. Let us work hard together. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.